Trial version.
Okay, you can hear my voice, all of you?
Trial version.
Yes, you can hear my voice clearly, all of you?
Trial
Yes, okay,
version.
no problem. If it is audible, no problem at all. So, okay, let me start today's class.
Trial
Yes,
version.
yes, very good, very good. So, if it is audible, no problem.
Trial version.
Okay, let me start today's class then.
Trial version. Trial version. Trial version.
Okay, that's something you are saying that try of in a new version and all. It is not for me because it is your this
Trial
one
version.
mobile or anything. If you have no, that is out given any other permissions and all, it will show like that way.
Trial version.
Okay, you can try off that version or you can do this, no problem. Okay, but you can hear my voice, yes?
Trial version.
And the screen is visible to you, I think so.
Trial version.
Yes, you can clearly you can see the screen,
Trial
the white
version.
screen you can see, yes? Yes, Abhishek Budni, hi.
Trial version. Trial version.
If it is showing more than once, it will not, no problem, you can accept it and you can
Trial
try for the
version.
new version. Okay. Hi everyone. So let me start today's class again. We will not wait time. So tell your friends to join and
Trial version.
to support that. Okay. Now let us move towards the that is our exercise questions and all. So first we will go
Trial
directly.
version.
So anyone have a doubt here, you can ask me which question of the exercise question and what you have a doubt, you can ask me quickly because I have told I will explain today the thing that
Trial
is
version.
what you have a doubt. So it is doubt clearing class. So you can ask me the doubt. So whichever lesson, anything, what you have. So today I am taking for the 9th state
Trial
syllabus
version.
students. So next henceforth I will take for the other student also, that is ICSC, CBS, that is not CBS student I am taking, and next time I will take the ICSC student
Trial
and the
version.
class 10th also. So let me go to that first. You tell me which question you have a doubt so that I can clarify you.
Trial version.
Hello everyone, hi. Which question you have a doubt, you can type it down and you can ask me. Yes, hi
Trial
everyone,
version.
but you type that question, what doubt you have. So simply don't waste the time. ICSE student I will take in the tomorrow class.
Trial version.
Tomorrow class I will take the ICSE student. Okay, so no problem at all. So ICSE student, don't worry. Tomorrow I am going to take to you. Okay, so today for
Trial
the
version.
CBSE student and state students. Okay, Abhishek Budne, I will go through you tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow or evening I
Trial
will
version.
conduct one class if you want. If there are several students are there, I will conduct one more class for ICSE students. So let us go for today. So polynomial lesson, cubic factorization. Okay, very good.
Trial
So
version.
polynomial lessons we have to go, and in that we have the cubic polynomial. Okay, I will solve a few of it quickly. That
Trial
is you have
version.
to tell me the this one page number or not page number. You have to tell me the uh, exercise question number, so that because I don't have a textbook here, so you can give
Trial
the question.
version.
Otherwise, tell me the exercise question, so it will be helpful for me to directly find it. Again, no need to waste the time. Okay.
Trial
So
version.
I hope you have that exercise 2.4 you are given. Exercise 2.4. In the exercise 2.4, the first question only we have
Trial version.
ICSE syllabus, that's x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. So this is the question. Okay, that I will discuss
Trial
later
version.
on. That is sum of the angles of a triangle. I will discuss later on. First, I will go for this. That the question is given by Kavana. Okay, Kavana and Sanjan
Trial
given
version.
that question, that is cubic polynomial to solve, that exercise 2.4. The first question only. Here they have given x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. This is the question when it has.
Trial version.
First we have to concentrate on the which polynomial we have first of all. So here we have the polynomial, that is a cubic
Trial version.
because it is the power is 3, so it is a cubic. How to solve this cubic polynomial, that is a question you have. So at that time what we have to do is we have to take this first one and the last one.
Trial version.
What we have that okay, sorry, it is not the question we have, that is okay, that is the second main. It is the first main. This they have given to find the
Trial
value
version.
of it. Okay, no problem. This is not the question. Sorry, this is not the question. Second main we have. So I have went for the first main. It is not first main.
Trial version.
Second main is. So which main it is actually? Give me that question number. Which main they have given?
Trial version.
I think fifth main. Because I don't have a textbook here, so it is difficult for me to choose which is the question. So
Trial version.
Help me out. 2.4, fifth main. So
Trial version.
I think this is the fifth main. Yes, x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. Yes, this is the fifth main. Yes, fifth main you have, that is x cube minus 2x
Trial
cube
version.
minus x plus 2. This is the question, and it is a cubic polynomial because of the 3. We have the power, highest power is 3, so it is a cubic polynomial. So how to solve this
Trial
problem?
version.
So whenever like the cubic it will come, just we have to take this first and the last. We have to consider these two. We have to keep it as it is. Before going for
Trial
that,
version.
first we will go for the last, that is constant value, that is not having the variable term. The 2 is not having the variable term. So we will go for the 2 and we will
Trial
find
version.
the factor of it first. The factor of 2 is, and that factor of 2 is nothing but plus or minus 1 or plus or
Trial
minus
version.
2. That is the first thing we have to use. So there are the factor of the 2 is nothing but plus or minus 1 or plus or minus 2. And importantly, we have to concentrate the first term.
Trial
Why
version.
taking the constant for the second? Because the first term must be having the 1. If you don't have, means if you don't have anything, that is only x we have, then we
Trial
can
version.
take the last, that is a variable. If you will go for the fourth question, in this only the fourth question you have, and in that fourth question you can find that here the question is
Trial
2y
version.
plus y square minus 2y minus 1 they have given. At this time the last one is the constant term is 1. Yes, so we have to find the factor of
Trial version.
1 or what? Factor of 1 we have to find. Here we have to find the factor of 1. That is the question. So just to answer whether I have to find the factor of
Trial
1, so
version.
the constant number is 1. Yes or no? Quickly. So 1 we have at the end. So we are not supposed to find the factor of
Trial
1.
version.
Why we are not finding the factor of 1 here is because at the starting we have here 2y2, not only y2. It is having a
Trial
number
version.
also. The first term having a number also. So obviously if you have the number, we can't take as the last number as a 1. So we have to take here this 2.
Trial
I have to
version.
take it to this term and it will become 1 by 2. So here we have to find the factor of half in the fourth question, because here we have to, so that 2
Trial
we have to
version.
divide for this last constant value. So we have to find the factor of half. At that time we can find the answer. So now we are not talking about the last question, we are
Trial
talking
version.
about the first question. So here what we have actually, Okay, you have to give the answer when you are saying any
Trial
this thing, just
version.
you have to give the answer so that I can understand you are live only. Otherwise, it is not possible for me to understand whether you are live or you are not live.
Trial version.
Okay. Yes, all of you are here.
Trial version.
Okay, type anything so that I can understand you are here or what. So you have to type yes or no or anything. So it will be helpful for me.
Trial version.
Okay. So next one is we have to yes. So next one is what the factor of 2 we have found here. This is a different question. So I have to this 2 have to
Trial
take this
version.
side. So here the factor of 2 we are finding that is plus or minus 1 or plus or minus 2. So substitute the first value as a plus 1 for this whole
Trial
equation.
version.
So I will take that equation as p of x, that is equals to x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. Okay, then
Trial
we
version.
have to go to the x cube. In that x value how to substitute as a plus 1 now. So substitute as plus 1, so 1 cube minus 2 into 1 square minus
Trial
1
version.
plus 2. So here the 1 cube is 1 minus 2 ones are 2. So 1 square is 1. So 1 and plus 2 means 1 square is 1 only.
Trial
So I will
version.
here 1. 1 cube is 1 only. So here 1 minus 2 ones are 2 and minus 1 plus 2. Obviously here you can see plus 1 we have and the minus 1 we have get cancelled.
Trial version.
And minus 2 and plus 2 get cancelled. The answer will become 0. So when okay, if it is saying that to try the
Trial
new
version.
version, you try that new version because you are not updated your YouTube. You have kept the YouTube old version only. Make it a new version and you can join
Trial
me.
version.
So it will be helpful for you. So here the p of 1 is equals to 0 we got. So whenever we will get the p of 1 as a 0 or that value
Trial
as a
version.
0 at the final answer, that time this plus 1 will become the 0 of that polynomial. So what we have to write? This term we have to write it in terms of this 1 will
Trial
become
version.
the k value. So now we have to write down it in terms of x minus a. So x minus a is equals to x minus a value is 1, so x minus 1. The x minus
Trial
a
version.
value will become x minus 1. Now our actual work starts. So I will remove this and I will write it down. Now take down the polynomial. That is x cube.
Trial
P of
version.
x is equals to, I will write it down, x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. Now our actual factor of the polynomial is x minus 1. So you can write it
Trial
down. One
version.
factor we found, that is x minus 1. So x minus 1 is the factor of p of x. In this x minus 1 it will become
Trial
the first
version.
factor of this p of x. So here you can write down p of x, no problem. So now let us do the calculation. Till here anyone have a doubt, you can ask me. If
Trial
it is not
version.
0, you have to go for the minus 1. Okay, if when you are substituted as a plus 1 and you got 0 means stop there only. If you are not got
Trial
0,
version.
go for minus 1. Other again you are not got 0, then you go for plus 2, then you go for minus 2. Any one it will be. Definitely you are going to have the 0 as your answer.
Trial version.
So I hope you have understood the first half. So second half I have to continue. Those who have doubt here, just you can ask me quickly. Otherwise I will continue quickly.
Trial version.
Anyone have a doubt? Yes or no? Okay. So next
Trial
part
version.
is x cube and this plus 2. I have to keep it as it is. So all of you concentrate here. The x cube what you have, I will keep that x
Trial
cube
version.
as it is. And this plus 2 also I will keep it as it is. Only have to change this one and this one. The middle two terms I have to change. Such a way that the first thing when you are doing, here
Trial
we
version.
have to see that we have that x minus 1 as the factor. So I will take that x minus 1 and I will write it down here. X minus 1. Okay, here one is positive,
Trial
one
version.
is negative. So obviously I will take the first one is already we have x cube, that is already positive. So positive is over, so I have to write down the negative sign. So here I will write down the negative.
Trial version.
And next importantly the coefficient of this. This will is 1. So here the coefficient is 1. So here also I have to take the coefficient as 1 only. And x cube after number it will
Trial
come x
version.
okay, this is the important thing. So here some students will get confused. See, we have to check the previous one and this one. and here obviously
Trial
we have
version.
here x cube we have, so I have kept the x cube as it is, but the second term I am splitting it. So first one is a positive, that is in the factor we have x minus 1.
Trial
First
version.
one is a positive, so I will keep that positive, that is for here we have positive already. Second one is negative, so here it is in the negative here. Next important is the coefficient we have to check.
Trial
so the
version.
coefficient is 1, so here also I have to keep the coefficient as 1. Here I have x cube, so it will come x square. So this is the first half. So next one is, see here, now we have to see
Trial
the above
version.
side. The above side here we have as a 2x square, that is negative 2x square. So write down that minus 2x square. In that, here we have again negative
Trial
1x
version.
square, subtract them. So the sign will change, this negative sign will change. So remaining is what? Minus 1x square. Means if how to write it
Trial
down here,
version.
minus 1x square. Because minus 1x square in a whole it will become 2x square, that is minus 2x square. Okay.
Trial
so
version.
this is the value how we got the middle term. We are splitting the middle term, we got it. So this one is finished now. This one and this one is already
Trial
finished.
version.
Now we will go for this one. So here when you are splitting the second, that is the minus x term, first we have to go back to the variable.
Trial
so that is
version.
the final factor what we have got here, that factor. That is factor is nothing but x minus 1 once again. This is the factor, the first one what we have got, x minus 1. The first one is a positive, second one is negative, but
Trial
here
version.
already the negative is present. The presence of the negative. So whenever we have the presence of the negative here, the next term will be positive or negative. The next term, because
Trial
already
version.
we have negative over here. So we will have what now? The next term will be positive or negative. What is that? Next term. Yes, quickly.
Trial
So
version.
one must be a positive, one must be negative according to our factor, first factor. So already one is negative, the second one will be obviously positive.
Trial
yes.
version.
The second one will be a positive. Next we have, yes, here we have x square, so it will come x. The coefficient is 1, so here also it will remain 1 itself.
Trial version.
So I hope you don't have any doubt in this, how we got the second term. We are comparing this one and this one now, and we got that
Trial
1
version.
plus, that is plus 1x. Now let us remove, means we will leave this. Now we will see the above. This is the x term, and above also we
Trial
have an x
version.
term. We will compare that x term now. One is a negative x we have to get. Here we got the positive 1x. So how much I have to add or subtract here
Trial
to
version.
make it equal? So that time we have to take the above term minus x, and below term is a positive 1x, that is same x only, 1x we have. And now we have to subtract them.
Trial version.
When you subtract them, what will happen? Minus x means minus 1x, and not plus now, this is minus. So minus 1x is minus 2x. So here I would write
Trial
minus
version.
2x. Now you see, when we have done this, just we will verify our answer, whether the answer is correct or wrong. So the answer here you can see
Trial version.
First 1x cube, we have 1x cube only, means here x cube means 1x cube only. Second one, we will add this 2, minus 1x square to minus 1x square, minus 2x square. Perfect. Answer
Trial
is correct.
version.
The third one we have once again here 1x, that is positive, and minus 2x. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Yes, minus 1 is perfect. And last
Trial
one is
version.
the 2, and here also we have 2. So nothing I have done anything outside, what I have not taken anything extra. I have got the correct answer
Trial
as
version.
it is. Okay, I have taken the correct answer as it is. I have not done any wrong in this. So let me continue with the final step. The final
Trial
step is
version.
grouping it. Grouping is very easy. So two terms each group. So I will make this one and this one on group, and this one and this one on group, and this one and this one on. I will
Trial
put the
version.
group. So just you have to not to put the bracket, because if you will put the bracket, it will go wrong. For your understanding purpose, I have done this. So group it like this way, it will be better. So I will
Trial
rub this.
version.
Next term is we have to calculate it. So common term is x square, because x cube we have and x square we have. So x square is a common.
Trial
Here
version.
it will remain x, and here it will remain minus 1. Here also the common term is negative. I will take it outside, because here negative we have. X I will take it outside, because here we have x and here we have x
Trial
square.
version.
So here 1x will remaining, and here x is already taken outside, so it is See, 1 will remain and minus, and it came instead of plus because I have taken the negative
Trial
common.
version.
So this negative positive will turns to a negative. And lastly, minus 2 is how to take common because here a minus 2 and here 2.
Trial
so it will
version.
remain x here, and a positive we have, but we have taken the negative common. So when we will take the negative common, inside symbol will change. So it will be x minus 1.
Trial
So
version.
if we will compare correctly x minus 1, x minus 1, x minus 1 throughout the answer, we have x minus 1. So we can take that x minus 1 common. So remaining will be
Trial version.
x square minus x. So x square minus x and minus 2. So this is the first factor what we have found here. So what we have found here, that we have
Trial
already got.
version.
So now our next step is to solve this, the quadratic equation, not cubic. So quadratic equation is simple comparatively cubic. So x minus 1, let it be as
Trial
it is
version.
Now we will simplify this, splitting the middle term now. So when you will add, you must get minus x. When you will multiply, you must get minus 2 into x square, that is minus 2x.
Trial version.
The two terms are again nothing but minus 2x and positive 1x. Okay, here is a minus 2x and positive 1x.
Trial version.
Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1x. Minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. X into x is x square. So splitting the middle term. X square I will keep it as it is. The middle term
Trial version.
I have split it in terms of minus 2x and positive 1x, and last term will become minus 2. Those are not understood this. See here, this minus 2x we have to get.
Trial version.
2 ones are 1 ones are. So the factors are 2 and 1. So 1 is negative, 1 must be positive. Greater number will be negative because you have the minus x when you will add.
Trial version.
So next step is we have to again finding the same that is variable. So here the
trial version
is x. So put that bracket, it will be better. X is okay, I will put the square bracket. X is common. Remaining is x square. In that x is taken common, so x minus 2 will remain.
Trial version.
Here I have taken 1 common, so x minus 2 will remain. So obviously x minus 1, that x minus 1 is already outside. And here x minus 2 is here, x minus 2 is
trial
here.
version.
So I can take that x minus 2. I have written here, and here left is x and a plus 1. So this is your answer.
Trial version.
So these are the 3 factors. So obviously you have found these 3 factors. Okay, 1 second. Though if the sound is not audible to you, now it is audible. I
trial
think so.
version.
Yes. So this all these thing we will do means we are going to get the factor.
Trial version.
This x minus 1, x plus 1 and x minus 2 are the factor of the given polynomial. So this is your answer. So anyone have a doubt means here you can ask me.
Trial
here
version.
You can ask. This is a 3 factor. Again one more method you have. So till here what we have done, it is compulsorily. But to find this much.
Trial version.
Find this much, we have one more method, but that is a lengthy method. So I have taught you once, but it is not directly have taught.
Trial version.
Long division method we have to do. Nothing but what you have to do is those who are writing, no problem. Those who are means you have no understood, I think. So anyone have a doubt means you can ask.
Trial
Otherwise,
version.
I will tell you that method. What we can do here, that we can do is this term when we got now that's x minus 1 is a factor. So that time we can do x by cube, 2x square
trial
minus
version.
x plus 2 and whole divided by x minus 1. If you will do, no, we are going to get this term directly. So it will confuse little bit. It will confuse
trial version.
So I am not going for this method. So if you want, I will tell you. X here you have, x cube you have. So you have to multiply x square. So x square into x is x cube. X square into 1 is
trial
minus
version.
X square. Okay, so we will subtract them and change the signing. That got cancelled, and here we have minus 1x.
Trial version.
Minus x square minus x plus 2 minus x square you have. And here again we have to multiply minus x for this. So x into x is x square. That's negative.
Trial version.
Negative into positive. Positive x we are going to get. So here that's changing the sign. Get cancelled, and here you can see minus x.
Trial
minus
version.
X, minus 2x, and here you have plus 2. And obviously here we can go for the minus. See, x we have, and here we have minus 2x. So here minus 2 I will multiply. Minus 2 into x.
Trial version.
Minus 2x. And here we have minus into minus plus 2. So changing the sign. everything get cancelled. So here you can
Trial
see
version.
this is the term what we got here. This is the term and this is the term is same, and this is x minus 1 and x minus 1 we have written here. Like
Trial
this way
version.
also we can do, but this is little bit lengthy method what we have done here. That is a lengthy method. Yes,
Trial version.
you can't hear my voice? You can't hear my voice?
Trial version.
Yes, once you answer to me that you can hear or you can't hear.
Trial version.
Type done. Yes, you can
Trial
hear. Yes,
version.
you can hear, but it is not loudly, I think. Yes, you can hear.
Trial version.
Okay, then
Trial version.
let us continue, because which is the question I have to solve once again. And for you know, I have gone through the lines and angles, and I have
Trial
I have
version.
uploaded one video for you, that is a 6.3 exercise 6.3, the question number 6. Question number 6 I have already uploaded.
Trial
And
version.
anyone have a doubt in that, you can go through that video, and I have explained it nicely. So just you have to go through that and just to check that. Just now I uploaded before at 12:15.
Trial
Just to
version.
go through it. Okay. So in that, if you have a doubt, again you can ask me, no problem. So any other doubt you have. So here we have two methods. Remember, for this much of steps, the three
Trial
steps
version.
you can do with this long division method also. No problem. This and this are both are same. If you are going for this method, don't go for the long division. If you are going for long division, don't go for
Trial
this method.
version.
So it is choice for you. You can write down anything. You can do any one of this. So any other question you have a doubt, you can type it and you can ask me from any lesson.
Trial
But you have
version.
to tell the exercise question correctly. You have to tell me the exercise question correctly. That's all. Any other
Trial
question you have a
version.
doubt? Type it down. If you have a question, doubt, or you can yes, lines and angle. Which question you have doubt in lines
Trial
and angle?
version.
Not an issue. You can say that which problem you have a doubt in lines and angles. 6.1,
Trial
6.2,
version.
6.3 we have. So which one? Which exercise? Angle sum property. Okay, of a triangle. You are talking about the triangle.
Trial version.
So here they are saying that sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree.
Trial
That is
version.
yes, 180 degree. They are saying that. So here, very importantly, just I will glance it. I will not tell everything. So I will glance it. One triangle if you have. So there are
Trial
two methods
version.
to solve this. You have learnt in the 7th standard one method, and now you are learning one more method. So yes, there is one more method you are learning. So you
Trial
can go
version.
with any one of these methods. 7th standard, they have thought that is the angle sum property of a triangle. So here also similar thing. So here we have to draw one exterior angle.
Trial version.
So if you are taking ABC, and this one you can consider the D, and this angle A, angle B, and angle C, we have to prove actually what?
Trial version.
Just I will glance it quickly. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degree. We have to prove here. To prove this, what
Trial
we will do
version.
is we will take one construction. Construction is we have to draw one exterior angle. That is angle ACD.
Trial version.
So that angle ACD, what we have got, you can give the name for this 1, 2, and 3 over here. And this angle 4, what we have, that also I will write.
Trial version.
One more construction here we have to do, that is one perpendicular. If you will draw, it will be better. That is E. So I do one more construction, that is a C.
Trial version.
Draw C parallel to AB. Here we have to draw that C parallel to
Trial version.
A. Okay, so that will be helpful for you. So here we can write it on this as equation number 4, and this one is a 5. Okay, so here
Trial version.
we have got. So parallel means you know that what is parallel. So here we will take that exterior angle ACD is equals
Trial
to
version.
angle 1 plus angle 2. The angle 1 and angle 2, if you will add together, you will get the whole angle, that is the ACD angle.
Trial version.
Okay, that is the first. And next one you can consider, this is the first one what you have got it, and here obviously this is
Trial
equation
version.
1 you take down, and here obviously if you will add 2 and angle
Trial version.
5 are equal, will you say why the angle 2 and angle 5 will be equal? This angle and this 5 angle will be equal because if you draw one parallel line,
Trial
that is
version.
AB, and one more thing you are going to take, that is EC. If you are taking AB and EC as a
Trial
parallel
version.
line, parallel means you know which is not going to meet one another. Here the BC is acting as a transverse. So this angle 2 is here and angle 5 is here. So angle 2 and angle 5 will be
Trial
equal
version.
because of which rule? That is F. It is in a shape of F. That is corresponding angle. Similarly, we have angle 1 and
Trial
angle 4
version.
will be equal. Angle 1 is equal to angle 4. Why that angle 1 and angle 4 will be equal? Because of the alternate interior angle. Because you can
Trial
find
version.
it is in a shape of a Z. So this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is E. So here this angle and this angle will be equal. So 4 and the 1
Trial
will be is
version.
equals to one another. Yes, alternate interior angle we have. So angle 1, this angle, and this angle 4 will be equals to 1. This is the
Trial
basic for
version.
us. Now we will type down that angle 1, angle, so that is the A, B, C. We will add. So we know that here we
Trial
have
version.
angle 1 plus angle 2 we have. So here we will take that this linear pair, that is these three angles we will combine, because we know that BCD is the combination
Trial
of a three angles.
version.
So I will write it down that here BCD, that is angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle
Trial
5.
version.
If you will add angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5, you are going to get the total angles 180 degree, because it is a straight line or linear pair we can say, or straight line.
Trial version.
Straight angle. Straight angle we got. So that is a angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5. And angle 3 I will keep it as it is. Angle
Trial
3 I will
version.
keep it as it is. But what is that angle 4? What I can write on that angle 4? What I can write on angle 4 as?
Trial
That is equals
version.
to angle 1. What I can write on angle 5 as? Angle 5 I can write down as angle 2, because both of them are equal. So that is equal to 180 degree. Now just you see
Trial version.
what is that angle 3, angle 1 and angle 2 is. Angle 1 is A. So I can write down here angle A. Angle 2 is nothing but B
Trial
angle.
version.
And angle 3 is nothing but this ACB, because there are exterior angle also, so I will take ACB, that is equals to 180 degree. This is the only
Trial
thing they have
version.
told us to prove. Finished. These are some of the interior three angles. So here actually we were not want this.
Trial
this one
version.
is no need. The exterior angle is not needed. Directly we can do this. So this is one method we have. So hope you have understood this. So this one you have learnt in the
Trial
7th.
version.
The same thing you can write it down here also, because no need for that you have to write it down. What is this here? This year they have done little bit change in the
Trial
diagram.
version.
They have done the change in the diagram like this way. Yes, this one they have taken 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this one they have taken 4, and this one is taken another 5.
Trial version.
Similar fashion, it is nothing but same. Here that angle 4 and angle 2 are equals to one another, because this line and this line are parallel. And here angle
Trial
5
version.
and angle 3 are equal, because it is in shape of a Z. Angle 5 and angle 3. And on this side we have angle 4 and angle 2. So if you add angle 1, 4 and 5,
Trial
it will
version.
come 180 degree, because it is a straight line. So this year you have learned. Both the methods are correct. Left to you, you can choose any one of the method. Okay.
Trial version.
So which question you have a doubt again? So some students are given that exercise which one? 6.1 third one. Okay, Nilesh is saying 2.4
Trial
the
version.
fourth one. Just now I have solved the same type of problem. Okay, so we will go through it later on. 6.1 second question, lesson, lines and angle. Okay,
Trial version.
6.1 we are saying. So I will go for 6.1 exercise. 1 minute for me, because I want to, I have already told I don't have a textbook. So just,
Trial
okay,
version.
6.1 second one and third one you have done. Okay, let me go for the second one first, then I will go for the third one.
Trial version.
Exercise. Nilesh, I have solved the 2.4 already. The first one, it is similar. The fourth one is also similar. Nothing difference we have. If you want, I
Trial
will solve. Don't
version.
worry. I have there one video on YouTube. There you can check that also. No problem. So 6.1, the second one question we have.
Trial
In
version.
the figure, xy and mn intersect at O. Okay, there is a xy line. So I will draw that xy line first. And also they are saying
Trial
that there is
version.
a one more line that is straight. They have taken here 90 degree, and that line is P. They have given.
Trial
Yes,
version.
this is a question, and this is one more line like this way to gone through it, and this is our M. And here they have given one more line. I think it is a straight
Trial
line.
version.
Mn, yes, Mn is a straight line. So Mn is a straight line. So it is n over here. Okay, this is the
Trial
thing they
version.
have mentioned, and they have given this as a, this as a B, and this one as a C. Yes, this one is CS,
Trial
and
version.
this is 90 degree. They have mentioned this point is given as O. Okay, this is the thing they have mentioned, and they have given that POY is 90 degrees. So obviously this is 90 degree
Trial
that they
version.
have mentioned. So what we have to prove here? And oh, okay, one more important, 2 is to B. Sorry, A is to B they have given, that is 2 is to 3. They have told us to
Trial
find the C.
version.
Okay, and this is the only thing what actually they have mentioned. So we have to find the ABC value. Means we
Trial
don't know the
version.
value. We have to find the value of C, means we have to find the value of A and B. One thing you remember, whenever like this way question, when it is given, first thing you have to remember that
Trial version.
this A and B, what we have, what they have actually mentioned for us, it is in a ratio. Whenever the ratio it will come, you take down that A is equals to 2x and
Trial
the B
version.
is equals to 3x. Means here we have to add one more term, x. When the ratios are given, take down directly the x, that is better. So A is equals to 2x will
Trial
take down,
version.
and B is equals to 3x, first thing. And if you know correctly, this POY is 90 degree, they have already mentioned. So angle POY is
Trial
90 degree, they
version.
have already mentioned. So we know that on the other side XY the straight line. So what is the value of that angle A plus angle B will be? What is A and B? If
Trial
you add
version.
together, what is the value will be? Because this side is 90 and this side will be how much? Because XY is the straight line. A plus B value will be how much? Just you
Trial
answer.
version.
Yes. What is the value of A plus B will be? Because A plus B plus 90, if you do, it is a
Trial
straight line.
version.
So POX will be how much? That is A plus B. So I will write on here POX. Okay, POX angle will be how much?
Trial version.
Anyone? So what is the value of A plus B? That is the most important. Just you have to see this and we can answer this. No problem. Okay, anyone you
Trial
can answer
version.
quickly. What is the value of A plus B? POX.
Trial
Obviously it is
version.
90, means POX will be 90 only, because you can write it down here. The reason behind it, that is POX
Trial version.
and POY will be equal, because here you can write it down that because XY is straight line.
Trial version.
So here the XY is a straight line and this P is making a perpendicular over here, so that on the both the side it will be
Trial version.
90 each only. Okay, so now what is the next step? What we have to do here is here the 90 we have, so on the other side also it will be
Trial version.
90 degree only, because it is making 180 degree. If you will add POX plus POY, totally it will become 180 degree. Those who are not understood, they are saying no,
Trial
just to
version.
listen here. This, if you will add together these two angles, it will be 180 degree. So POY already they have a 90 degree, and this is 180 degree. So POX angle
Trial
is
version.
nothing but 180 degree minus 90. So it obviously it is 90 degree directly. But what is POX? POX is nothing but A and B.
Trial
So now
version.
what is the value of A? Just to write it down. The value of A we have taken the 2x. And the B we have taken as 3x. So 2x plus 3x, if we'll add together, it will become 5x, that is
Trial
equal to
version.
90. So x is equals to 90 by 5. What is 90 by 5? 5 ones are 5 ones are 5, 4 is left 18 degree. So x value is equals to 18
Trial
degree.
version.
Okay, means now we found the x value. We have to find the a value and the b value. So let us go for the a value. A is equals to 2x. So a value is equals to 2
Trial
into
version.
x is 18 degree. So obviously the a value will become 36 degree. Similarly, b value is 3x. So 3 into x value is 18 degree. So 3 into 18 is nothing
Trial
but
version.
54 degree. So these are the two values we found. If you know these two values, we can find the c value very easily. Very good. So now we have to find the c
Trial
value.
version.
C value. See, if you'll clearly, if you'll see, I will mark one more time. If you'll see clearly, this b angle
Trial
and the c
version.
angle, if you'll add together, it will make a straight line. That is mn is a straight line. So angle b plus angle c is 180 degree, or you can go with the
Trial
vertical
version.
opposite angle. Here C angle and this two angle, if you add together, it is a vertical opposite angle, so that I can find the C angle very easily. It is left to you. You can
Trial
take B
version.
plus C is equal to 180, or you can take that angle A plus angle 90. The angle A and 90 degree, if you add together, you will get the C angle, vertical opposite angle. It is
Trial
left
version.
to you. You can choose any one of these. So I will choose the easiest only. So I will choose what? Angle A
Trial
plus
version.
90 degree, if we'll add together, it is nothing but that C angle or XOM. XON they have given, but don't want XON because they have directly given C, so I will write on C. So here you
Trial
can write on
version.
vertically opposite angle, or you can go with that angle B plus angle C, that is equals to 180 degree linear pair. Any one, both the answers you are going
Trial
to get the
version.
same. Angle A value is equals to 36 degree. I will write on 36 here and 90 here. That is equals to C. So if we add together 126 degree, that is C. C angle is 126, like this way you
Trial
found.
version.
Or if you are going for this, angle B is how much degree? 54 degree. And here we have C angle, that is equals to 180 degree. C is equals to 180
Trial
degree
version.
minus this 54 you are bringing this side, it will be minus 54, so it will come 126 degree itself. So both the answers are same only, means you can go with any one
Trial
of these.
version.
So B plus C, if you add together, it will be 180, or C angle is equals to A plus 90. Choice is yours. So this is your
Trial version.
second question. So anyone want to explain once again, or I can go for the third question, because third question is also asked. Any doubt if you have, you can ask. Or third question, you
Trial
have a
version.
doubt, it seems. So let me go for the third question. Actually, the third question, what we have now, it is a not simple, not difficult. It is logical.
Trial version.
What is the question is? So they have given in the figure. The figure I will draw later on. In the figure, angle PQR
Trial
is
version.
equals to angle PRQ. The first thing they have given, then prove that.
Trial version.
Angle PQS is equals to angle PRT. This is the question what actually they have mentioned.
Trial
And
version.
I will draw the diagram for you now. Just you have to concentrate here. Those who have a doubt in this question, just to concentrate. It is very easy type of question we have.
Trial version.
Looks like easy, and it is easy actually, but logical, that's all. So like this way we will draw that, and this one I will take as a P, this one is I will take as a Q, and this one we have to take as a
Trial
R.
version.
And obviously this outside line is S, it seems, and here we have the T, it seems. And here they have mentioned that PQR, the Q angle, inside angle,
Trial version.
PQR means this angle, and the PRQ is equals to each other, means this triangle PQR will become a isosceles triangle. Most importantly, it will become
Trial
a
version.
isosceles triangle. Okay. The second part, what we have here is we have to prove that these two angles, which are the PQS angle and
Trial
PRT
version.
angle, are equal. We have to prove. So obviously here I will do one thing. Solution. PQ
Trial
angle
version.
PQR plus angle PQS. I'm adding this angle and this angle. So it will become how much degree?
Trial version.
180 degree. That we can put the equation 1. Similarly, I'm adding this angle and this angle separately. PRQ
Trial
plus
version.
angle PRT is equals to 180 degree. Now I'm adding what? This two angle, this one angle and this one angle. So you can
Trial
understand
version.
this one angle and this angle, if you draw, it is a straight line, so 180 degree. And second one, you have added this R angle inside and R angle outside. So this is by
Trial
linear
version.
method. Okay, these are the two questions, the two equation we are going to get here. So now very important is the next part. What is the next
Trial
part?
version.
See, on the right hand side 180 we have, on the right hand side we have 180, on both the side we have 180 we have. So what is the meaning of this 180? If the right hand side are equal,
Trial
what about the
version.
left hand side will be? If this right hand side are equals to one another, what about the left hand side will be? Whether it will be equal or it will not be equal? Yes,
Trial version.
it will be equal or it will not be equal? Yes, you have to answer. It will be equal only. So PQR
Trial
plus
version.
PQS, if we'll add together, it will be equals to PRQ and PRT.
Trial
So
version.
left hand side both it is equal, we can take it down. Now if you'll concentrate, yes, if you'll concentrate correctly, they have given that PQR
Trial
and
version.
PRQ both are equal. PQR is here and PRQ is here, both of them are equal. So I will make one change. So PQR I will write it down as it
Trial
is,
version.
and PQS I will write down here, and here instead of PRQ I will write down PQR only, plus PRT I will write down as it is. I have changed
Trial version.
this angle PRQ angle in terms of PQR because in the question they have given both of them are equal. Or one thing you do, if you are getting confused of changing
Trial
of it,
version.
so make one thing that you can write it down, it will be good for you. Make that PQR is equals to PRQ, that is equals to X.
Trial version.
So in place of PQR I can write down X. In place of PRQ also I can write down X. So you write down here let. So here I will keep
Trial
that
version.
PQS here, that X plus PRT I will write down here, and this X I am shifting on the other side, it will be minus X, so obviously plus and minus get cancelled. So
Trial
PQS will
version.
be equals to PRT. This is the finish, the final answer you have found. So any difficulty here? I hope you don't have any difficulty.
Trial version.
If you have a difficulty, you can ask. I have tried my best to explain to you. Yes, 6.1, the fifth one question.
Trial version.
6.1, the fifth one question. Okay, the sixth one question is also similar to this step. Similar to this step. So how many of you have doubt in that? Just you can ask
Trial
me.
version.
Okay, so just you understood this. Those are asked the question. You have understood this. So I can take it out.
Trial
If
version.
you want, you can take the screenshot of it, so that afterwards also you can check, or afterwards the video will be on the YouTube. You can check anytime, no problem.
Trial version.
Okay, let me go to the fifth question. Then 6.1, the fifth question. 6.1, the fifth question here we have is they are saying that
Trial
in a
version.
figure. Okay, that figure we have, and they have given the POQ is a line. POQ is a line, so I will draw that POQ is a line. And
Trial
also they have
version.
given here in this the ray OR is perpendicular. So O is somewhere here. Here we have P over here, and here we have Q here. So this is a straight line.
Trial
And
version.
from O there is a line, it seems it is perpendicular. Means 90 degree. It is making 90 degree to that PQ line. Next they are saying that there is
Trial
one more
version.
line. Okay, OS. OS is one more line. It is moving towards this. And they are saying OS is
Trial
another
version.
ray lying between the OP and OR. Prove that. Okay, now it is very interesting. Prove that. They have given ROS
Trial
is
version.
equals to half of QoS minus POS.
Trial version.
So now let us continue. So we have to prove those who have not miss. Some of you are not live now,
Trial
just to make
version.
it is live because you are answering for the previous question. Just to make it live and just to listen to me. So prove that this one you have to prove. See here, we have to prove here
Trial
ROS.
version.
ROS is this angle. This angle is a half of QOS. QOS means QOS. Okay, this angle minus POS. This angle, half of it.
Trial version.
So this is the very good question. So let us see how we can solve it. So first, actually we have to give more concentration on this ROS because
Trial version.
ROS is on the left hand side. So we have to give the concentration of ROS. So solution I will do using that ROS only. So remember, whichever we want to find, no,
Trial
take that
version.
ROS is equals to. So now we have the two options. The ROS is a middle angle. In between we have of the two angles, this angle and this angle. So it is a combination
Trial
of the two.
version.
It is a combination of the two, or it is a subtraction of the two. That is most important. On the next time we want here QOS.
Trial
So
version.
QOS is this one whole. So we have to include QOS angle also in one equation, and in another equation we have to add POS.
Trial version.
So next equation we have to add POS. But most importantly, on both equation we must write down in terms of ROS only. ROS is equals to. So we have
Trial
to make the
version.
two equation because ROS is a combination of two angles. So we have to take one in equation, we have to take QS, and one more equation we have to take POS.
Trial version.
So in this I will take the QOS, angle QOS. So make the such arrangement when you will take that QOS angle
Trial version.
and you do addition or subtraction, it is left to you. But you have to get the answer as ROS. So here we have the QOS. Remember, here I will tell you.
Trial version.
We have the QOS, that is the whole angle what we have got. This is the whole angle what we have, QOS. In that I will subtract, not add. I will not do the addition.
Trial version.
I will subtract which angle? That is QOR. If you subtract this angle, which angle is found? So
Trial
in the whole
version.
angle, how to subtract this ROQ or QOR, any one angle. So we will get the
Trial
ROS
version.
angle. So I will minus here ROQ. So I have subtracted so that I got that ROS angle. So this is our first thing.
Trial
Second,
version.
the first equation we found using that QOS. This is our equation number 1. In the second equation, also we will use the same. We want
Trial
here
version.
POS. We want here what? POS. Means anywhere on the here or here. We want the POS because here in the question we have given in terms of POS.
Trial
So
version.
compulsory I would write here POS, or here I would write POS. It is left to us. So let us see where it will come. So how it will combine together to get that ROS. Here
Trial
that
version.
ROS can be found on the like this way angle also. So what I will do actually here is, first, okay, I will rub little bit and I will tell you I want this ROS.
Trial
So
version.
what I will do is I will take this whole angle. Okay, so here I am going to take that R.
Trial version.
Okay. Okay, here I will take that full angle ROP. ROP
Trial version.
means this whole angle ROP I am going to take. In that I am subtracting POS. So which angle is left? I am subtracting POS because I
Trial
want that
version.
POS. So I have taken POS and here we have QOS. So both angles it is combined together. So that is the ROS we found in both the equations.
Trial version.
So anyone have a doubt here? You can ask me. First I have to whole. In that I have subtracted this much. Second equation I have taken this side
Trial
on the left hand
version.
side and I have subtracted this much. So we got the ROS angle only. Now very importantly, here we have ROS and here we have ROS. So what we will
Trial
do,
version.
the right hand side both of them are equal, we will consider. But don't do that like that way. Because here according to us, we want to keep that ROS
Trial
toward
version.
the end. Because in the answer we need in terms of ROS. So we need that ROS till the end. So we will not subtract them or we will not equate them
Trial
equation 1
version.
and equation 2. But equation 1 and equation 2 we will add together. So ROS plus ROS on the left hand side, I will take this from this side. ROS plus ROS I have
Trial
taken.
version.
On the right hand side also we will add together QoS plus that is minus we have. So minus I will put
Trial version.
minus ROQ. Then I have on the right on the this side we have plus we have, that's ROP
Trial version.
minus POS. Now the next part is concentrate. Here they have already mentioned that this angle is 90
Trial
degrees. That
version.
is ROQ is 90 degrees. So I will write down here that is given ROQ is 90 degree. Obviously if this is 90 degree, on the
Trial
other
version.
side that angle will be 90 degree only. That is nothing but ROP. Angle ROP will become the 90 degree because on the both the side it will be 90 each, so that it will become 1.
Trial version.
So substitute that value, ROQ value where you have, there you substitute that 90 degree. So here we have QoS, here we have ROQ, that is 90 degree. Here we have
Trial
ROQ, that is 90
version.
degree. Similarly ROP value is also 90 degree. And here we have POS. So if you will concentrate correctly, this
Trial
90 degree
version.
negative, positive 90 get cancelled. Remaining is QoS minus POS. And here ROS plus ROS, 2 times ROS.
Trial version.
It is twice, so it is 2 times ROS, and we will get the final answer. Now I will take little
Trial
bit down.
version.
So here we will shift this 2 on the right hand side. So ROS is equals to half. When you shift on the
Trial
other side, it will
version.
divide. So half it is left. And here I will put the bracket for both. That is QoS minus POS. Finished. The answer totally we
Trial
got
version.
exactly what actually we need. So this is our final answer. Anyone have a doubt means you can ask now quickly, because it is the last question I have solved now.
Trial
So any
version.
other questions if you have, you can ask me. And this video will be on the YouTube only, just you can check it later also. Tell your friends also to go through these questions, and
Trial
let
version.
them also try and let them also learn. So any other question if you have a doubt, you give me the question quickly. Last one more question I will solve today. Afterwards I will go,
Trial version.
and if it is possible I will take in the evening. If it is possible then only. So any doubt you have, you can give it to me. So the same link you can check it later also.
Trial
No problem.
version.
So anyone have a doubt? Otherwise I will conclude here only. Okay, there is one more question doubt they are asking, that is 6.3
Trial version.
the second one it seems. So you have to give the response when I'm asking the question. You have to give the response so that I can understand.
Trial version.
Okay, so here they have given a 6.3 second one, so I will go for 6.3 second one once. So
Trial
what is the
version.
question? I have to say 6.3, no? Yeah, 6.3 second one. You have to give the response when I'm asking the question.
Trial version.
Otherwise it will not be possible for me to understand whether you are listening or not. So here they have given the question. I will not write down the question directly, I will draw the diagram.
Trial
Okay.
version.
So here we have X here, and here we have Y, here we have Z, and here we have center as a O, and this angle they have mentioned it as X angle
Trial
is 62
version.
degrees, so this one is 62 degree, and the YO and the OZ is a angle bisector they have mentioned, and this X angle
Trial
is 54
version.
degree, the whole Y angle is 54 degree they have mentioned. So this is the thing, and they have told us to find OZY. OZY is this one, OZY, this angle they
Trial
have told us
version.
to find, and also they have told us to find YOZ. Okay, this angle. So these two angles we have to find, that's all. So question mark I will put this question
Trial
mark and this
version.
question mark. So when you are solving this problem, here you have to concentrate one thing. They have mentioned this OY and OZ is a bisector.
Trial version.
Bisector means making equal parts. So Y angle is 54 degree in whole, and it is divided into two equal parts. So I can write it down that
Trial version.
XYO, that is equals to OYZ, means I will take separately. This Y angle is 54 degree in a whole, that is made into two
Trial
equal
version.
parts, this angle and this angle, and this angle will become 27 degree and this angle will become 27, because 27 plus 27 is 54. So this both the angles will become the
Trial
27
version.
degree. So this is the first thing we have to concentrate. 27 degree, 27 degree. Okay. So why it is needed? While finding this O angle and Z angle, we
Trial
need this.
version.
Next one angle is 62. X is 62 they have mentioned. So I will take now the big triangle. X here, Y here and Z here. I will take this
Trial
whole angle.
version.
And this angle is a 62 degree. This is a 54 in a whole. See, I'm taking the 64 in a whole. And this angle is a Z that we don't know. So I will add
Trial version.
angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z together. It will become 180 degree. Angle X value is 62. Angle Y value is 54. Remember, I'm taking the whole angle
Trial
of Y.
version.
I'm considering in a triangle XYZ. How it is 27 degree? Because, okay, your question is how it is 27 degree.
Trial version.
So 54 is divided into two equal parts because here OY is the angle bisector. Angle bisector means it will divide into two equal parts. So angle Y
Trial
is
version.
divided, the whole angle Y. So I will tell you once again, this whole angle Y, what we have 54 degree, that is divided into two equal parts, that is 27 and 27, because they are saying that OY is the angle bisector. OY is dividing into two equal parts, that whole angle Y. Okay.
Trial
And
version.
so it is 54 degree in a whole, that Y angle. I'm coming back, and Z we don't know, so we will find the Z value. So 54 plus 62, it is 116.
Trial version.
Okay, 15, 11 is 116 degree, that plus Z is equals to 180. So angle Z value is equals to 180 degree, negative 116. So 120, 64
Trial version.
degree. Okay, 20 plus 60, yes, angle Z value is equals to 64 degree. Now we can find the angle Z.
Trial
We
version.
have the whole as a 64 degree angle Z. This is here X we have, here you have Y, and already they have mentioned there is a perpendicular angle bisector.
Trial
we have,
version.
not perpendicular, angle bisector we have, that is OZ. OZ is a angle bisector. The whole angle we found as 64. What about the small angle will be? What is small
Trial
angle will be?
version.
That is OZY will be how much? OZY angle and angle OZX value will be how much? The whole angle is
Trial
64.
version.
So it is divided into two equal parts, half of it. So what is the half of the 64? It will become
Trial version.
32 degree each. So this OZX and OZY will be 32 degree each. That is the one angle they have told us to find, that we found, that is
Trial version.
OZY. The OZY angle is, I can write down, angle OZY is equals to 32 degree, because here you can write it on the bracket, OZ bisect
Trial version.
angle XZY. On this side you can write it down, this one where you have written here, you can write it down,
Trial version.
XYZ bisected by, or here you can write it down like this way. So I will rub this in front of this only, you can write
Trial
it down.
version.
YOY bisect angle XYZ. So this is the how we found the
Trial
OZY
version.
angle is 32, and we have found one more, that is OYZ is equals to 27 degree. Now let
Trial
us consider
version.
this. You two, I think you understood, I think. So I will consider one more triangle. This time I am considering OYZ angle, and here we know this angle is 27 degree, and
Trial
this angle
version.
just now we found this 32 degree. These two angles we found this 32 degree. So O angle can be found very easily by the angle sum property of a triangle. Angle
Trial
O
version.
plus angle Y plus angle Z is equals to 180 degree. That is you can write it down in triangle OYZ. I will write down
Trial
here
version.
in triangle OYZ. So angle O value we don't know. Angle Y value just now we found. This angle Y value is nothing but, if you want, I will write down OYZ.
Trial version.
And this angle Z is referring as OZY. So here the angle is 27 degree. Here the angle is 32 degree. That is equal to 180 degree.
Trial version.
So obviously, if you will move further, angle O plus, if we will add together 59, that is equal to 180. So angle O is equal to 180 degree.
Trial
59
version.
on that side, it will become minus 59. It is 121 degree. So this is the value how we can find that O angle. So these are the two answers what
Trial
we have
version.
to get. One is OZY that we found as 32 degree, and angle YOZ or ZOY that is equal to 121 degree. This is O means here
Trial version.
YOZ. Okay, so that is the two angle we found. Okay, this is the question what you have actually
Trial
given.
version.
I hope you have not have any doubt in this. Yes, you are asking now several doubts, but it is already time is going on, so I will
Trial version.
lastly take only two questions. That is the first question, 6.2 in that first one, because they are asking now, so I will
Trial
solve that
version.
one problem. And next one is 2.4, the fifth one I have already done. It is on the YouTube, just you can check it from there, because I have already done now only first class, first
Trial
only I have
version.
done, because here there is a problem of the power cut, so I don't have actual this one charge in it, so I can
Trial
conclude
version.
with the last question, that is 6.1. In that they have given the first one, so I will do that first one, and last one if it's possible I will do 2.4 fifth main B
Trial
question.
version.
If it is possible I will do that also, but I'm not sure about that now. So first one, 6.1, the first one I will solve. Here they have given directly, that is
Trial
I will draw
version.
6.1 you are saying. So 6.1, here they have given A and B, and here the center they have given O, and this one is C they have given, and this one
Trial
is
version.
E they have given, and down there is a straight line over here, that is they have given us the D, and here they have told us to find, okay, what they have given I
Trial
will write it down.
version.
Angle AOC they have given, that is equals to, okay, AOC and combination of two they have given, AOC angle and BOE,
Trial version.
BOE angle, if they have combined together, AOC and BOE combined together, it is 70 degree. The first thing they have mentioned, and second one they have
Trial
BOD
version.
angle. BOD angle is how much degree? They have given 40 degree. Yes, 40 degree they have mentioned, and they have told us to
Trial
find BOE.
version.
So BOE, this angle they have told us to find, and similarly they have told us to find COE angle, reflex of it, means this whole angle COE, that we have to find.
Trial
That
version.
we will learn later on, because COE angle, reflect of COE, reflex, okay, reflex of COE we have to find, that is nothing but 180 degree minus COE.
Trial version.
Means we must know what is COE. Reflex of COE is nothing but, first we have to find COE, then we have to minus with one, not 180, sorry, 360 degree
Trial
minus
version.
COE we have to do 360, okay, because whole angle is 360, in that we have to minus this angle, so we will get the reflex of COE, that we will find
Trial
later.
version.
So first we have to find this. So what they have actually given, so AOC is given, and BOE angle is given, that is equal to 70. Okay.
Trial version.
And they have given BOD. So remember here, this BOD angle and AOC angle will be equals to another vertical opposite angle. So I can write down this is
Trial version.
to, this BOD is equals to, that BOD angle is equals to, that is nothing but AOC angle, because that AOC
Trial
and
version.
BOD both are equal, because here you can write on vertical opposite angle, you can write it down. So obviously that AOC angle will become 40 degree, because here the
Trial
again
version.
BOD angle is 40 degree. So obviously AOC will also become 40. So this is 40, and this is BOE, that is equal to 70 degree. So angle
Trial
BOE
version.
is equal to 70 degree. Bring this 40 on the other side, it will become minus 40. So it is 30 degree. So this is 40 we got, this is 40 we have, and this is now we found BOE
Trial
angle is
version.
30 degree. So obviously first thing we found, that is BOE angle they have told us to find. So angle BOE is a
Trial
30
version.
degree that we found. Okay, that is the first proof is finished. Now we have to go for the second proof, that is the, we have to find this angle, that is the COE angle,
Trial
because if
version.
we found COE angle, we can find the reflex of COE very easily. So we will find the COE angle first. So how to find the COE? Just
Trial
you add
version.
this angle, and this angle. That is angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle BOE. If you will add together, it will become 180
Trial
degree.
version.
Okay. Angle AOC is 40 degree. Already we know. And angle COE we will find now. and angle
Trial
BOE is
version.
30 degree. Just now they have given. Means we found. Okay, here we have the two proof for it. And we will add together. It is 40 plus 30 is 70
Trial
plus
version.
COE, that is equals to 180 degree. So angle COE is equals to 180 degree. 70 I will bring it to the right hand side, minus 70. So it will become 110
Trial
degree.
version.
So COE is 110 degree. But actually we are not finding the COE. We are not finding the COE. We want COE angle to find the reflex of
Trial
COE.
version.
Because reflex of COE is nothing but 360 by COE. So 360 degree. So minus COE angle is 110. So obviously it is 250 degree. The reflex.
Trial version.
The reflex is nothing but the other side of the angle. So if you want to find, for example, in this one I will show you. If you want to find this
Trial version.
COE, this one, reflex of COE means the outer side of this COE, this angle what we have, this is called the reflex. So how to find the reflex? By
Trial
taking
version.
the whole, in taking the whole minus this COE. So you will find this reflex of it. First you find the whole is 360 degree. In that minus
Trial
the
version.
COE means minus in this one. If you do minus, you are going to get this COE whole angle, that is equals to 250 degree. So this is your answer. So
Trial
here
version.
I will conclude for today's class. So if you have any doubt, you can put it in a WhatsApp or you can put it in a social media. Link is given in description. So go through it and find it,
Trial
and
version.
try to share this as much as possible to your friends. Okay, so tell your friends that is already you have gone through this all this question, and
Trial
you
version.
can go through it once. Okay, no problem at all. Just to go through this all these answers. Okay, any difficulty you have, you can ask
Trial
me
version.
later on.
Trial version.